Make the most of your next vacation with a Dometic awning. Dometic Leggera awnings include the following highlights: single point inflation frame, apex ventilation, compact and lightweight design, adjustable multi-height system. Begin by removing the awning from the carry bag. If you're attaching onto a cassette awning, you will need to unwind the awning to expose the rail and bring it down to a workable height. Then insert the keder into the rail and pull the awning through. Once the awning is in place, retract the cassette awning into the closed position if applicable. Now close off the deflation valve located at the front of the awning on the left side. On the awning right side, locate the inflation valve and insert the hand pump. Inflate the awning to 9 psi. Once achieved, carefully lift the awning from either end to help take its shape. Remove the pump and secure the top cover of the inflation valve. Next, secure the two back corners of the awning. Peg the highlighted glow webbing straps approximately 5 cm under the vehicle. Tension the side panels by pulling the glow webbing straps away from the vehicle and fix to the ground. Next, secure the triangles located either side of the air pole. This ensures the awning is pitched straight. Proceed to secure the remaining pegging points using the supplied ladder bands. We recommend cross-pegging between panels and openings to reduce tension and help the zips run smoothly. Secure the awning further by fixing the quick pitch guy lines. Simply tension the lower strap, peg down and pull tight. Finally, clip in and fix the storm straps included with the awning. Your Leggera awning is now fully set up and ready to use. Start your adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.